Welcome to Cafe Noma and welcome to my reaction to Triumph. I'm going to react to their song Young Enough to Cry, and this is my first time listen to this song. It will be a single take honest reaction. Let's get started with the music, with the song. First time listen, Young Enough to Cry. I don't know why, but it feels more, the title of the song feels familiar. Maybe some other title has been similar, and there are a lot of titles which are to do with cry. So let's listen to it. I haven't heard this song by Triumph.
Even loved a few. Some were good and some were bad. No one was just like you. Now they say I'm too old to get hurt in love. That ain't true. 'Cause girl, when you left me, you broke my heart right in two. Like a Ferris wheel. Don't know what's the matter, baby. I just know how I feel. At night when I'm dreaming, babe, I think I see a girl so sad and alone. Can she be crying just like me? Whoa, just like me. to cry, cry, cry. I'm crying, girl. Said I'm young enough to cry. Oh, I'm crying, babe. So many times I tried to tell you, girl. Tried to tell you that I want you, that I love you. Yes, I do. You got me crying for you, baby. For you, baby. For you, baby. I'm crying. Yes, I'm crying.
Wow, 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 wow. The sound of this song, will never let you believe that this is coming from a trio, a three-member band. That's what they are, Triumph. As far as I know, if I'm mistaken, I stand corrected. Let me know in the comments if there are more members. But I always thought because they were compared with Rush, there are three members in Triumph. I like the music. I like the mega music that they created in this song. And that guitar, the solo, the way the guitar was played, it was weeping along with the vocals. It was literally weeping along with the vocals. I love the way the guitar was played here. It was an awesome display of guitar skills by the guitar player. I like the soulful, very deep, very emotional, passionate, energetic at the same time vocals that were done, and then the drums. Everything falls perfectly in place. They all had their place in the song and they all put it together beautifully. It was well executed song to define it, to say it. I like the way it sounded. It is superior music. It is nowhere an average music, nowhere mediocre. It is beyond all these things, beyond the stratas of all these levels. It is a high class music, and each time when I listen to Triumph, I realize they are true music lovers. They are true musicians who uphold music. That has been a common thread among all Triumph songs. No matter which song so far we have reacted to, I pick up any one of them and it is a great display of music and the love for music from the band members. They do justice to the music that they create. It's not just done for the sake of making a song, not just done for the sake of grabbing somebody's popularity or a subject or a topic popularity and make a song so that people like you or people follow you more. They do justice to the song, the topic, what they choose. Here it is a song about heartbreak, about his sad state, how he was ditched by this lady, and he thought that she was the one. He literally felt she was the one, and it didn't work out with her. He met with a lot of women in his life. He fell in love with some of them, but there was nobody quite like her. And then it didn't even work out with her. It may be a story of a lot of people, a lot of men and women. I won't say only men, a lot of women and men, and it hurts. It hurts a lot when you really have decided, you have made up your mind, this is the right person for me. I want to spend my entire life with this person. I want to grow old with this person. I want to have my children with this person, but for some reason it does not work out, and that person leaves you in the middle of this entire planning that you created, that you made very carefully. You planned your life with this person keeping in mind, and then it did not work out and that person left you halfway, just left you for something else, someone else, or whatever reason. You feel hurt, and here he's crying. I mean, you may say you're too young, he's too old to get hurt and too old to cry or this, that, but there is no age. When it comes to heartbreak does not come with age. When we are young, as in small children, we cry because we can't take the pain of the physical hurt. It is nothing to do with the emotional hurt. Emotional hurt can make a person emotional or shed tears at any age. It is not physical hurt. That when a child cries is hurt, it's not the emotional or deeper feeling that is hurting. It is the physical hurt that brings the instant reaction of the body through the tears. That hurt and that cry, that sobbing should not be compared with someone's emotional hurt, someone's feelings when they are hurt, and when they want to unleash it. Should never be compared that you're too old, chill, come on, this is not the way to react. That's not how life works. And when we put people in those spots, when we pressurize people not to let them react the way they would have liked to, respond the way they would have liked to at that moment, they would have liked to at least release their emotions at that moment, it is very harmful for them in the long run. They don't know, those feelings just got trapped which should have been out long ago, and they don't know how to deal with it. They feel frustrated. They keep getting episodes of panic that keeps coming out again and again. They have mood swings, they have cranky behavior at times because they did not get a proper time to deal with the trauma or the stress they should have dealt at that time. So here is a song beautifully sung with all heart, soul and honesty. I'm too old to get hurt, but I think you are never too old, never too young. Whenever you get hurt, you are hurt. It is as simple as that. But I'm young enough to cry. That's what he had to say. He's in a bad shape. He's in a bad shape. His body is hurting. His soul is hurting. He's emotionally completely shattered and broken. And he just can't believe he's still coming to terms with this reality, the new reality, that the person who he wanted to be with has gone. Though, when you ask me how much to cry over someone's not loss here means someone's departure from your life. It's not a complete loss because the person is not dead. She just left him. It should be more your self-worth, your self-confidence, your self-esteem that should play a role, and you should realize that it is not about that person. It was about you and it will be about you. How long are you going to hold on to something that is not there with you? As long as you're breathing, as long as there is life within you, you are you and you can continue to do whatever you want. It does not go away with a person, with a thing, with something, with a position. We do feel very emotional when we lose something, but it should be very temporary state. We should all get out of it. People take a long time. There is PTSD. The 4 letters are there literally, and people take a long time with all these disorders. It's difficult. It's difficult to be, have people on the same length of intelligence and same length of understanding. I realize that, but we should all be trained that way. The stress, trauma, and how much time should be taken to deal with it should be decided by you. It shouldn't take your entire life. Lots of people deal with PTSD until the day they die. It's not supposed to be stuck with us. Just because it is marketed that way, these disorders and these these terms, they are marketed that way for us to feel that way, for us to feel we are the victims and feel the victimized thing. It is just marketed that way so that people come seek help from those who are providing it for a lot of money, in the exchange of a lot of money. It's not supposed to stick that way. It's about you, it's about your life, it's about your self-worth, and it is about your self-esteem. You're not supposed to stick with these tags all your life, and literally there are people who carry them like a burden entire life, that I'm suffering from this disorder, and they have no problem saying that because it is so well fitted in their brains that this is what you're suffering from. Come in terms with it. I know you have to come in terms with it, but you're supposed to deal with it after that. You don't have to take it, carry it for your entire life. You come in terms with it too, so that you can deal with it and then you can get over it. You can move on in your life. It is not to come in term and then keep it within yourself. You're supposed to get rid of it very soon. That's what you're supposed to do. I like this song. Musically, this was amazing. The way Triumph created the music, I like the way it was sung, and the lyrics are good too. What else can you ask for? Thank you for watching. Thank you for your time.